Welcome back. It's now time for your sports roundup.
Jamaica's Reggae Boyz have been knocked out of the CONCACAF Nations League at the quarterfinal stage as they went down 4-2 to the United States in their second leg match at the City Park Stadium in St. Louis, Missouri on Monday night. Christian Pulisic in the 14th and 33rd minutes, Ricardo Pepi in the 42nd, and Timothy Weah in the 56th minute were the scorers for the USA on the night, while Demarai Gray in the 53rd and 68th minutes scored for the Jamaicans. The Americans prevailed 5-2 on aggregate, having won the first leg quarterfinal 1-0 in Kingston last week Thursday.
I think the reaction was better in the second half. Similar to the first game, I think we let ourselves down, give ourselves a mountain to climb, but it was about showing a bit of pride, and I think we was a lot better in the second half. Obviously, congratulations to USA. But yeah, for us, we have to learn from those type of games, and if we want to get better, that's the type of competition we need to be challenging against. So yeah, we move on.
Head coach Steve McLaren assessed the team's performance.
In the first half, we were passive defensively. That made us defend poorly. And the main thing was we didn't deal with the ball. We kept giving the ball away, and the USA hit us on transition and scored 3 goals. So it was a mountain to climb at half-time.
The defeat means that Jamaica will fall into a playoff group for Gold Cup qualification in March 2025. Back home, Malaysia United recorded only their second win of the Jamaica Premier League season as they blanked Dunbeholden FC 2-0 on Monday night at the Jerusalem Stadium. Carlos Cooper in the 21st minute and Joel Powell in the 30th were the scorers for Malaysia. Meanwhile, last season's beaten finalists Mount Pleasant FC were bailed out by a stoppage time equalizer from Raheem Edwards as their game ended 1-1 against Chapelton Maroons. Damaro Deacon had given Chapelton a 49th minute lead. The curfew extension imposed on the Arnett Gardens community and its surrounding areas is set to expire at 6 this evening. However, the possibility exists that another extension could be sought. On Monday, the Professional Football Jamaica Limited (PFJL) had to move the 2 Premier League games from the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex to the Jerusalem Stadium due to the imposed curfew. Senior Superintendent of Police in charge of the Kingston Western Division, Michael Phillips, told TVJ Sports on Monday that an evaluation will be done.
The Arnett Gardens area of the Kingston Western Division over the last few weeks have seen an upsurge in gang activities, which have resulted in 2 murders, including that of a major violence producer identified as Stuart Burton, otherwise called Bing. These incidents have created some amount of tension and unease across these and adjoining areas with the threat of further violence.
Meanwhile, PFJL CEO Owen Hill says he expects games to return to the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex for the next match day. That's it for your midday sports roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.